is working. So this is probably going to be a video of of the DSHK. 451 parts, a lot of parts. I mostly just want to get some of it done. If I can get all of it done in one go, that would be good. I'm going from the easy side to the deep end. This is for the CAD project I currently have. This is also going to mostly just be benefiting myself and a few others. So let's give this a go. And let's see how well this goes. It's a pretty cool game. It's mostly just for references. I don't think it gives any sort of measurements. Likewise, that's so you can't just start building a gun. I think it's just loading at the moment, but I'm not sure. We should see. Is it just loading? Oh, this is just some information about it, apparently. Oh, well, that's going to be very useful. The barrel length. Yeah, you have it. The overall length. Very interesting. The weight of the gun. There are 1 million built. It would cost 2.250 USD. Died in 1938. Very interesting. Like its US equivalent, the M2 Browning, DSHK was used in several roles as an anti-aircraft weapon. It's mounted on pintle and tripod mounts and used on a triple mount in the GAZ-AA truck. Later in the war, it was mounted on the Coppolas IS-2 tanks and ISU-152 self-propelled guns. As an infantry heavy support weapon, it used a two-wheeled trolley which unfolded into a tripod for anti-aircraft use, similar to the mount developed by Vladimirov for the 1910 Maxim gun. Oh, I know that one. It was mounted in vehicle turrets, for example, in the T-40 amphibious tank. Okay, I'm gonna hide that. Is it just loading or something? Oh, it wasn't loading, I just didn't click on it. Oh, my mistake there. A bit more juice. So this will, hopefully, oh, there we are. So, you can see there's a lot of detail for this gun. I mainly want to be showing that off. So that pulls that off. You pull the front part off. Oh, I see. So it has two fixings that move it. Okay. So that was the handle along the side. See down there. Presume so that's where the trigger is. That's a sight up there. So what does that do? Oh, that entire bit, is that how it reloads? I think this bit here, what is this bit? Is this the reload? But I don't even know. This thing has a lot of parts. So, fancy. So, 2 bolts there. Oh, this is the field strip. So the field strip being, if you were to have any issue with the gun, you would undo all of these parts. I need to remember what order they go in. I think I've just done this part. Okay. bit, and then that bit, and then that bit into there, that onto there, that back into there. Then we want to put that bit in there. And put that bit into there with that bit there. Put this bit back onto there. Oh no, that wasn't next. It was it? Yeah, it was this one next. And then the bullet holder there. Okay. Whew, now, this is the hard bit, the disassembly. This is going to be rather long, I imagine. 451 parts. That's quite an interesting barrel. It appears to rotate the rounds. Oh. Oh. Okay, I think it's not as bad as I had thought it to be. Let's do the do this thing first. This will just make things a lot easier for myself, I think, if I just get this out of the way. Okay, so that's that bit done. So we're going to take that piece out, remove that. Oh, that's interesting. So it has those bolts along the side. Oh no, those are pins to keep it in place. Very interesting. So that removes the wheels, that's the axle of it, I believe. Moving pins. Oh, that's very rudimentarily hold in place. I suppose that would be a bearing then. To be honest, most of what I'm saying I'm talking out my arse because I don't really know what I'm saying, but we shall see. Oh, that is funky. That shows you each individual piece is not relevant to the CAD model that I will be creating, because this sort of turret doesn't appear. But this is pretty cool, isn't it? And look at that. I'm like, what, nearly halfway? And I've just basically been doing all the unimportant parts. Is there like a... Oh. Let's remove that. And then let's remove that bit. Okay. I want to get all the bits that I just don't care about out first of all. And then I can sort of focus on sorting everything else out. Get rid of that bit. Okay. We're doing pretty good. Okay. There we are. Get that bit out there. That bolt. Just pull that out apparently. Oh, is it just... That's just tight fit. Oh. Move that. Okay. So now all that remains is this. Okay. Oh, I presume that's actually the part that makes it a turret. Oh my god, this thing itself has a lot. Put this on X-ray mode, so the flashing is a lot less obvious. So that's that wheel, I presume, allows it to move up and down. Is that a spring in there? So what's this bit here? This is the barrel itself. Okay. Then if I put on X-ray, I presume, yeah, that's the firing mechanism. That's what I'm interested in. I'll get to that in a bit. This bit is rather interesting. This, what I presume, is what allows you to move it about. Oh, that's not exactly how I thought it would function. That is pretty cool, actually. Yeah, there's a lot of parts on this which are just bolts removing. Okay, I now actually am halfway. I just misread it before. Okay, remove the handle. That goes quite far back, the handle. Wait, let's don't focus on that. Yeah. Okay, remove that bit. Remove that. Okay. I'll do that in turns. Move that entire piece, apparently. Move the bolts from there. Oh, that just slides out. It's pretty interesting seeing all these parts. There are so many bolts keeping all together. So many fixings. Could not imagine to have made this. Can't even imagine the person who designed it, to be fair. It is quite ridiculous. Oh my god, more parts just keep appearing. Okay, let's just remove that bit. Save myself some work. Okay. Remove that. Remove that. Pretty funky. That comes off. That comes off. This is already looking ridiculous. I am not going to have any fun putting this thing back together, am I? I think it'll just fly by. I think this is rather fun, to be fair, removing all of these bits. Okay. That's that turret. Oh, no. I missed a bit. Okay, that slides off. There's another bit I missed over here. Oh, there's one bit there. There's always bits that you just don't notice that are flashing. Okay, was it? I thought I saw it flashing there. Oh, there it is. This piece here. Very funky stuff. I'm not sure how this recording will even turn out, to be fair, but we shall see. Okay, let's do this muzzle. Take that off, because I reckon that's just going to be, yeah, that's just going to be a whole piece. This is a bit like a sight. That has another bit on there. Of course it does. Comes off, and another bit there. Not too far off now. I'm going to leave. No, I am just going to remove that because I don't care about the barrel too much. So, yeah. Okay, let's remove the handle. And then we can just remove all the bits of the handle. Just makes things easier. Something I don't have to focus on. Okay. Remove those bits. Okay, remove that. What is this piece? It's got some markings on there. I can't quite tell actually. Is it some sort of loading mechanism? Okay, remove that. That bit. Oh, there it is. Move that bit. Okay. Let's remove this bit here. Oh, it slides out like that. That is funky. Because of it, let's then do that. Okay. That part is removed. Don't have any bits. No. Oh, so that's how the entire barrel is fixed. And that's all one part, is it? Oh, funky. Got that. We saw how long the barrel length from the previous measurements. So that's pretty interesting, actually. Oh, was there something I saw? Yeah, there we are. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that spring, massive. This bit looks like it's made of Lego. Okay, remove that. Put that up. So, oh, is this actually part of the loading mechanism? It was. Yeah. That means that if I were to pull this up... Oh no, this is another part of the loading mechanism. Oh, this is the firing mechanism itself, I think. Let's put extra, I'll make that a little bit clearer. Yeah. Funky. So, yeah. Oh, there's another piece here. I just noticed. All these random bits you just don't really notice are there until all of a sudden they are. Okay. It's pretty funky. So, remove these side panels, as we saw earlier with the sort of assembly run, or the field test rather. So then, yeah, I think this is actually the firing mechanism, because I think that's the pin that, the striking pin that fires the gun. Is that it? Extractor spring, the extractor itself. So is that what pulls the bullets out? Okay. And then this piece, the part of the extractor spring. So this is actually the extraction and the firing. It looks like it would be the firing mechanism, to be fair. This is the feeder base, it says there. I only just noticed those namings. I could use this opportunity to... Feeder cover latch. That's pretty cool. Okay. Container. Oh, then you can take off that. Okay, it's on the bottom. Okay. Just remove the sights entirely. We'll do the sights now because it just saves me some time focusing on other things. That way I can be a little bit distracted. Bit of freedom, I suppose. Okay. Yeah, that's just what. Oh, there's another bit there. These random bits that I don't really notice because I can't really see the flashing lines. Right, so this is just the sights. Okay. Oh. So that allows part of it to move about, I suppose. Okay, I think that's all that bit done. Only 36 parts remain. And for the looks of things, it's the part. Oh, it's the part that we care about. Feeder cylinder. Look at that. Oh, that is interesting. So this is the thing that feeds the rounds into the gun. Okay, undo that. I may have to change which part I'm doing because I think the firing mechanism may be far too complex. So many of these panels. I wonder what purpose that actually serves. Does it act as a bracket or something? I'm not sure. this thing is really funky. I actually quite like it. I'll need to double check what technical drawings actually show. You know, if I could do that, that would be pretty cool. Rather interesting to design, I imagine. Okay, remove that. Remove that piece. What's this? The lever paw. Oh, so that's the lever. Okay. Okay, that was that was rather difficult. Now let's do the assembly. Once we've done the assembly, obviously, we can start to have some fun and we can start to play around with firing mechanisms and such. I'll take a little sip there. Okay. What to do? Let's actually try and get some of these more recent stuff done. So I'm going to do the sights, I think. So I think we move these parts in. Okay. Then we attach that. I believe it was no. Attach these bits here. Then reattach all of that there. Place that into there, and then that's into there. Okay, so that allows it to pivot, I suppose. Adds a spring. It's sort of at an angle, isn't it? I think that's more aesthetic than it is accurate, because I don't know why you would want it to be on an angle. Yeah, interesting stuff though. That bit that we didn't immediately notice. I nearly thought that magazine was part of it there. It lined up perfectly. Alright, let's do the feeder mechanism next. I thought this was the firing mechanism, but obviously I was a little bit confused. Okay, so it was the lever paw we did, wasn't it? This bit here. Okay, oh no. There we are. Then let's put that into there. That on there. Put that into there. That into there. Let's just put you onto there. Put this into here. Okay, funky. Put that in there. Yeah, I wasn't sure which one of these parts would go next. Okay, place that in there. That in there. Okay, that's the feeder. Let's do this handle next. Get it done and out of the way. Okay, that in there. That in there. So these caps go on and then that slides in. I'm not sure. I think it's, well, judging by those bits, I think it would go. I'm not sure actually. I don't think it would just slide in like that. I think it's actually moving through the parts, because otherwise that makes no sense. I presume it would be that it was hammered so that it flattens out to get to the tops, and then these handles won't just come off. I doubt in practice you would actually be able to remove those handles. Okay. Oh god, what should we do next? That's stuff that I very recently remembered. Let's do this. It's just, I think it's just sort of figure things out as you go. Mostly try to remember what you were doing. Is this the same thing? No, this is something else. Oh, I suppose at least it's done. Oh, at least I can put this back in place. Okay. Let's put that back in place there. Might as well. Put that back on there. That one goes next, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Where's the... Oh, these bits down here? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, that piece goes next. Oh, this piece that I nearly forgot about, that actually gets the rounds forwards, I think. So it's... this bit goes in here. Is this thing... this is the bolt. This actually is the part that I'm interested in. Oh, well, I'll just have to check back the footage on what I just did then. Those parts slot in there. Depends how detailed I plan to go on this, how much time I have to make it. Technically I had a long time, but I was not that great at the time management, I suppose. That piece next. Extractor into there. Place that into there. Place that into there. Place that into there. Okay. Place that up there. Is there something I've missed? Okay, well let's do some other stuff. Let's do these wheels, because that'll get me a bit distracted a bit. And it'll just make things a little bit easier for myself. You know, it just gets things out of the way, really. Doing good for parts. We are, I think we're over halfway now. Pretty good. Okay. Let's do these bits. Makes things easier for myself. Oh, I think that's what I was... was it these bits? No, I wasn't missing those bits. That is attached there. Okay, so I need to get this turret part made, I think. That bit. That bit. Okay. Well then, let's get you done. There we are. Place that into there. That one on there. That one on there. There. That on there. That one goes into there. Oh, that one slides in there. Oh, let's go and do this then. Okay, put that in there. Okay. Oh, that goes on there. Okay. this one next. This is rather difficult to tell. It's mostly just me meandering my way through it, but it's certainly interesting. What's next? Oh, that's apparently next. It's mostly just click until you find what goes next. Okay, that one can go on there. Put that one on there. Put that one there, apparently. Can I put those in next? Nope. Oh, I can actually do this one now. Okay, what's that missing? I think I need to do any of this assembly. That one on there. Okay. Assemble that piece. Assemble that bit. Okay. I think at this point it's just sort of what remains. That one I don't need to worry about the magazine. Oh, that one goes on. That goes on there. That's there. Then no. Oh, that slides onto there. Which goes onto there. Okay. Okay. Into there. And that entire piece goes on there. Okay. That goes on there to keep that thing in place so it can lock in tight. Okay. Then that can go there. Oh, that's what keeps those two parts in place. Okay. Reminds me of the system we have for our tables when we go camping. Is that listed here? Was that? I thought for a second that that was all that was taking it. Okay, then that can go on there. And that can go in there. And that can go in there. Then we can put the handle on there. I feel like there's quite a large open space down there. I think that's where... Oh, actually wait, I'm pretty close now. Slide that onto there. Slide that onto there. Okay. We place that onto there. Okay. That goes on there. That goes on there. That goes on there. Well, I've got about these bits, haven't I? Don't need to put this one on next. Okay. That goes on. I thought that one was already in place, that's why I was so confused. Okay. I think these are the last bits. Yeah, there we are. All done. Successfully reassembled the model. Ah, very nice operation. Let's see how well this goes. I think it'll go rather well. I hope this is still recording. I shall have to find out, of course. In fact, I can just press Alt Z Let's see if it is. Yes, it's still recording. Righty. So let's try a few things. Where's the trigger? There it is. Oh, let's slow it. 2 times slow. Wait, it fires twice. That's a very fast shot. Okay, let's put on X-ray mode. Isn't there? Oh, there is a fire button down there. Let's slow down by 10. So it feeds in the bullets from there. That is funky. Put on slow times 50. So it pushes the cartridge in, ignites it with the needle, pulls it out, loads another round in, fires it out, and ejects it. Oh, so they fall out the bottom. Okay. Oh. Very interesting. So, well, plastic, that just makes it look even fancier. Let's close that off. X-ray 2. So X-ray normal, that shows the bullets. That shows the bullets. Shoot it again. Loads that in. That goes in. The needle hits it. Okay. X-ray 2. That shows some of the other parts. Oh, I see. And that catches it again and sends it off, and then it's sprung backwards. Wait, let's see it again. So it fires off, and that is, oh, that's for the recoil. Why is that spring in there for that? Does that show it off? Oh, that just shows some of it. And then this sort of how it reloads. Fires off a round, which rotates that, pulls the belt through it. Okay. These are, from judging by the size of things, these rounds are massive. My lord. Okay. Let's try seeing. Oh, was there? Okay. Turn it off. Okay. Then we can reload. We would take another one out. Load out. Pull that onto there. Did it just reload it with an empty shell? Is that how it reloads? With an empty shell? You would not want to be on the receiving end of that. No, thank you. So I can remove the shield, which does show it even better. Like that. That feeds onto that. Yeah, that's an empty shell that it reloads it with. That is funky. Okay. Oh, you can actually adjust it a bit, which is pretty cool. Let's have a quick look at that. Oh, I see. Putting pressure on allows you to move it. There's AA mode, which is if it stands on a tripod. Funky. And has this. Okay, put it back. Let's put it back onto AA mode. AA sight. What does that do? Oh. Oh, I see. Anti-aircraft. That's what AA stands for. Oh. So that's to adjust for where the plane is flying. Because if you aim directly on the plane and shoot it, the bullet won't reach it in time. That is cool. Just fire it, then reload it. This is very close to the actual technical drawings as well. Except it's turret mounted without that, which is still very funky. Let's go X-ray on that, so you can get a good view of that. All the sort of views. Very nice indeed. What else have we got to do? Sight adjustment. Oh no, that was not quite the same, I think. No? Oh, it's a button there. Sight adjustment. Okay. Armrest adjustment. So what does that do? If I turn it on, can I... Oh, that does the... changes back to AA mode. AA mode. There we are. Oh, I see. The part that is a seat entirely folds out to become a tripod. Oh, that explains all of the fixings of it. Oh, wow. That's actually pretty funky. Folding the rear sight. Safety. The safety is that bit down there. Oh. Let's... I want to do that X-ray. So it does that bit there. Safety on. Safety off. Safety on, of course, you can't fire it. What does it do specifically? Just trying to spot what it does. Does it lock the... Oh, it locks that actual parts in. Oh, okay. It's very cool. Turn the safety off. And then toggle cutaways. We're just going to continue for a bit, because that is basically entirely a side view of it, which is what I want. So let's put it on slow. Slow times 50. Firing. Loads it in. Shoots it off. There it is. Bam! Beautiful. I'm just going to hold it down, basically. Very cool indeed. Shoots off. This belt has a 50 round magazine, which is very good. I want to see it focus on this back bit. Fires off. I presume this spring is for recoil, as is that. Oh, I see. So that I presume this piece here to fire is what grabs hold of the bullet casing and pulls it back so it can be ejected. That piece holds it in place as well. So yeah, holds it in place like that, pulls it back and ejects it. So that piece actually also holds the bullet in place, but then pushes it off when it hits that back bit, because it hits the recoil, pushes the bullet off, and that unfolds to allow it to fall out. Okay. And then obviously this piece here is the firing pin. So if we go to fire again, that slides out. It's there, so slides out. It's pressed inwards by this. So fire. That is pushed out. That acts as the reload and also pushes it forwards. And it's by this spring in here that causes the firing pin to go. So chunk, bang, and then the airflow is what pushes it back. Oh, I see. So if this one actually fired, you would actually see airflow coming here. Let's turn off the cutaway. So that's what the point of this lower barrel is. It uses the sort of the gases produced, shoots out. That's really cool. I am done now. How do I exit? Yes. Okay, that was very cool. I am now done. I'll upload this to YouTube and hopefully it'll be very useful.